Hi, my name is Becky Flaherty. I'd like to welcome you to 318 Arden Oaks Drive, located in Cape Carteret. Centrally located, we have the White Oak, Broad Creek, and Croatan school districts, close to shopping. And what's really convenient is the short ride over the bridge to the Emerald Isle beaches. Please come on in and join us for a tour. This home was originally custom built, and you'll see many features throughout this home that stand out. First and foremost, beautiful foyer here with hardwood floors throughout the first level. There's a formal dining room to our left with arched breezeways, extensive crown molding, chair rail, and wainscoting. There's a first floor master suite. Tray ceiling with recessed lighting. Very spacious with Anderson doors that go out to the deck, which spans the whole rear of the house. The master bathroom has ceramic tile flooring, dual vanity sinks, large master walk-in closet, what I like to call a private potty, and there's a separate shower stall as well. As we leave the master bedroom, to our right is the living room. Again, hardwood floors, vaulted ceiling, sliding glass doors to the deck and the backyard, gas fireplace, and track lighting. Then we circle around toward the kitchen. Very open and spacious, granite tops, stainless steel appliances, double oven, eat-in kitchen area, and again another Anderson door to the deck. Down the hall you'll find the laundry room, which is out of everyone's way. Little workspace there as well, and a half bath. Okay, let's take a walk upstairs. This is kind of neat, little loft area overlooking the living room downstairs. Again, dual vanity sinks, ceramic tile, enough room for the kids to share. Here's one of the bedrooms. Obviously a little girl lives here. But what's neat about this room is there's a hallway to the closet, which is gigantic, and additional storage space beyond. As we come back through her room, we will go down the hall. We have another bedroom on our left. What's neat about this room is the circular window. Gives it a lot of character. Little boy lives here. As we continue down the hall, we have two large rooms here. Again, the accented windows are a nice feature, allowing natural light in, and another large closet for storage area. Back down, one of the neatest features about this house is the finished room over the garage. Plenty of space here. And again, it has two closet doors for additional storage. Call me if you have any questions. I'd love to show it to you. Once again, I'd like to thank you for joining us today at 318 Arden Oaks Drive for a video tour of this property. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Again, my name is Becky Flaherty, and my phone number is 252-723-3217. Have a great day.